Hi guys, and welcome to DIY with Nadia. Today I have a haul from Joann fabrics, and I saved anywhere from 75 to 90% on the things I got, and I basically got floral and ribbon. So for the total that I spent was $36.69, and I saved $87.77. I hope you guys can see that. There you go. Let it refocus a little bit. So that is pretty awesome. With that being said, let's just get into this video. I got some nice florals this time around, you guys. I saw these bundles, and these are the cotton bundles. It has like 5 little buds on it, little cotton buds. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here's 7 of these because I thought I can definitely incorporate it into a wreath. I did make a Dollar Tree cotton wreath, but this is already on a stem. I can put this in a little vase, anything. I mean, these are just so perfect. And I'm like, this just, you can't pass that up. So what I'll do right now is I'll insert a picture of the costs. So I'll just tell you the regular price and you guys can compare it, or I'll write on the screen. But this was $2.99 originally, and with 75% off, how do I pass this up? It's already on a branch. It already has the little, you know, the cutting, the little buds or whatever on there. I mean, it's just, it's done. And I just thought it was just such a great deal. Then there was only one of them. If there was more of this, I would have taken probably 2, 3 more. And so this was originally $9.99, so it was what, $2.49 without tax, so $2.50. Not bad. And this is like, it has that soft texture that we like to do winter florals with. And I was just like, that's just insane not to take that for $2.50. And it's a huge bundle. As you can see, like if I spread it out, it's quite large. And if you've seen my hauls before, I do not buy from Michael's, TJ Maxx, Hobby Lobby, unless it's like at least 70% off, because then it's worth it comparing to what I can get at the Dollar Tree. That's why I go for the things that I know Dollar Tree doesn't have, like these gorgeous kind of, you know, I guess flowing kind of, the ones that are going down. There were only 2 left. I think I kind of got the end deal of the sale, but there were only 2 of these left, and I grabbed them because when you're doing maybe like wall hanging, like a floral hanging, and you have a little bit of, you know, that overflow, it's just so beautiful. So I got 2 of these little guys. Then there were some, and they were kind of sorry looking, so I just picked up, I think, 2 of these little bushels. Definitely can use them to spruce up some flowers, you know, in the back. And they just had, I think this one is missing one. I mean, that's what I said. I'm like, they were already looking really kind of sad. So I got what I got, but still, originally these were $3.99. Oh, I didn't tell you how much these guys were. These were $3.99 also each. Let me put these on the side here. Then I got, how many? So 2 of them have these little flowers, these little bundles, and then this one has a different flower in the middle. And these little picks were $3.99, and once again they have that kind of frosty, you know, leaves. They're absolutely beautiful, and I can definitely see using these in DIY. So I got 3 of these, $3.99 each. Then I got some eucalyptus picks, and there were 2 only. I think that these are so simple and cute. I would have gotten more, but they were just not there. So I got 2, and they're okay looking too, for $3.99 each. Originally. Okay. Then moving on, I just could not pass this up. $2.99. This ended up costing me like something like 30 cents or something. And they're 2 little bees, because for spring, I have not made a beehive on my channel yet. So I'm like, I'll just wait till next spring to do that. And to get 2 of these gorgeous, gorgeous bees. I hope you guys can see these. You know what? Let me take them out so you can see, because I don't know if you can see through the bag, but look how gorgeous this little guy is. So, so pretty. And I know I cannot get this quality at the Dollar Tree. So I did get, there's 2 of them for 30 something cents. It's like 15 cents each. It's amazing. Then I got this one. I regret not getting, the only ones that were left were these white ones. And then there was also ones with the white and green little buds. And so originally $2.99. I should have gotten both of them, but it's okay. Dollar Tree has these too, but when the prices are lower than the Dollar Tree, it's just silly not to take. And it's like triple the amount of the ones that come in the, or maybe double than the ones that come at the Dollar Tree. Then from the Florals, I guess the last thing were these little picks, and they have the little like little pearls on them. So let me see here. Let me separate because I want to show you these kind of, I don't know, aqua color ones that I got. And I got these white ones. I absolutely love these. I don't understand why they were even in the spring stuff. These are perfect for Christmas, and like Christmas, even January, when you're doing kind of like frosty, snowy kind of bouquets. These are amazing. And these were $2.99 each only. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 of these. And then I got 4 of these picks, and they're, as I said, they're kind of like a teal kind of aqua color. And at first I wasn't going to take them, but you know how like you're shopping, you just throw things on your cart kind of to kind of see. Look how this looks if I put them together with these florals. I just thought it looked so gorgeous, so beautiful. Okay, and now for the ribbons. So these ribbon that I got, I mean, these are not like my #1 choices, but check this out. Bundles like this, they were $9.99 originally. You could tell like right there, $9.99. Then on clearance for $197. Off of the $197, I got an extra 40% off. So I paid about $130, $120 something for each one of these, when originally they were $10. I think that's an amazing deal. So let me show you what I got. This is burlap with gray lace over it. And I think what I'm going to do, I think I do need to take the plastic out because it's just going to shine and you guys are not going to be able to see. Okay, let me just do this real quick. Look how pretty this is. I love gray. And so on one side it's burlap and on the other it's gray. I thought this would look really pretty on a wreath. And I got 2 more of these. The other one was red. So just the same deal. Burlap on one side. So someone actually like took one of these out. So burlap on the other side and red and burlap here. I thought this was so gorgeous, and I'm just thinking it's leftover from last Christmas or Valentine's Day or something because it just doesn't make sense. It's gorgeous, $10 ribbon. And then the third one that I got with lace, it was only like half the measurement of this one. So let me see. This one was $7.99 originally. They just put everything $1.97 there. It doesn't matter how much they were originally. So this is 1.5 inch ribbon, and so this big one that I showed you was 2.5 inch ribbon. So this is 1.5 inch ribbon, burlap on one side, black lace on the other side. It's absolutely gorgeous, you guys, just gorgeous. So the next ribbon I got was this black and white one right here. How gorgeous is this? I think it's absolutely adorable. Okay, so I got 2 rolls of these, and once again, this is 1.5 inch. And originally this one, I don't see the original price for it, but I'm guessing it was like $6.99, like the other one. The next thing I got was a gray one, and this is kind of like a burlap gray. Just a gray burlap, really. And I thought that was unique, and I don't know, I don't have one, so I grabbed it. Then I tried to grab things that I can use for Christmas, kind of like, that's why you see reds, blacks, neutrals, grays that I can incorporate with, you know, some pretty things. Then I have this one that was, this one's 2 1/4 inches wide, and this is kind of just, you know, just kind of not checkered, but I can't think of the word right now. Little brain fart going on, but yeah, so I thought this would be so perfect for Christmas, just red and ivory. Then I got some fun ones, and so this one, I'm sure this is going to be for next year, because we're pretty much done with like fruit kind of themes, except for next month where I have my watermelon challenge that's coming up on the 2nd. I'll insert a link for my video right here. If you are a YouTuber or you DIY on Instagram, check it out, because the challenge is coming up on August 2nd. I'll throw it up there. But anyway, look at this strawberry ribbon. And it has wire edging. So this would be gorgeous on like a wreath or some kind of a floral arrangement. So pretty. And it's like real, kind of like picture of a flower. I mean, of a strawberry. So very cool. I thought this was so, so beautiful. And the next one is a rooster. We have some YouTubers out there who like challenges that are farmhouse and like farm animals. I had one last time, and I just had the hardest time looking for something where I can incorporate an animal. And I was like, this is a rooster and this is gonna work. This one is 1.5 inch, and the same thing was $197, and I got 40% off of that. There you go. And the last thing on here is a little ribbon, and I'm not even sure how much. It must have been like $4.99, $3.99 originally. Then it was $197, and same thing, but this is really, really thin. This is little paw prints. I don't know if you guys can tell, like little doggy paw prints. And since I have pets, and you know, I'm probably going to do some videos that would incorporate, you know, animal kind of things, and so I thought I would do this and get this one, even though I think I didn't save on this one as much as I saved on the gorgeous, you know, $10 ribbons. But this one's still gorgeous. It's like a white ribbon with gold paws on it. Very pretty, but that's the only animal one I found on sale. I wanted like black paws, that would have looked nice. But anyway, well, that is it for this haul, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel and you love hauls, you love DIYs, farmhouse, boho chic, that kind of stuff, check me out. Click the subscribe button and definitely give me a thumbs up. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome and you know it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.